Welcome travelers, jugglers and otter noses. Oh, and that old fat dude in the front row. Oh, is he nasty looking? I'm scared he will eat me.
I hope he eats you. He followed me in the parking lot and then stole my hamburger with fries. I tried to use pepper spray but he drank it. Muah.
I love the feeling of pepper spray in my eyeballs, and boy do you look hot tonight, Michelle. Crunch crunch eating Funyuns, busy, go away dirtbag.
Hey, only my wife calls me dirtbag MR sister. I hate my wife but she'll never leave. She even tried to run me over one time but God won't let me die.
I like Funyuns. Gimme. I can see that your fly is open and that's not appropriate unless you're Bill Clinton with an intern. Love yas.
I'm gonna beat all you pansies down. Piggy is my hero even if he does wear women's underwear, but so do I. They are pink today.
That's gross. My hero is Fried Chicken, Goat Boat and his minions. Chompers and Chewy. I gotta pee so bad that it hurts you.
999, oh yeah baby 999, I'm leaving for New York City and ain't never coming back unless your mama cooks me bean dip pie.
I love bean dip pie. Oh wait, that's my mama. I hate you so much that I have to poop. She's old but not as old as my wife. If I was lucky she would kill me alive.
Hillbilly mozzarella cha-cha-cha and taco but cheese surprise. I like candy in your face. Moo guy pan. Bring it, you losers. I love my pet chicken and Minnie Mouse. Kiss my ass.